Okie doke, welcome back. So in the last video we created bullets being shot when I click mouse click. So yeah, it can make absolutely loads, that's fantastic. In this video we will be making them get deleted when they hit an object. So what we're going to do real quick is we're just going to make a cube, and I'm going to shove it over here. I'm also going to set it, let's put all of this to 0, 0, just so we know exactly that it's going to hit. So looks like this is where we want it. Yeah, Z21 is fine, the bullet is going to pass through there. We can actually test it just by hit play. You can see the box, a little bit hard to see, but that should go straight through the cube. There you go. I think maybe we'll move it towards the camera a little bit, just so it's a bit more obvious. About 10 will do. Yeah, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. That'll work. Okey-doke. So, our cube, luckily, comes with a box collider, and I'm going to say it is a trigger. So when something hits the box, it's going to destroy the other game object, which is just one way of doing it. I'm going to show a few different ways of doing it today. So we're going to create a new script, which is right click in the project and create new C# script, and we're going to call it a wall. So I'm just going to load up the wall script, and I don't want any of these functions today. Oh, not all of it. Oh, I can't highlight today. Okay, so a new function type. So we've had start, which runs at the start of the game. We've got update, which happens every second, and now we have got on, trigger, enter. Fortunately, Unity is really good at predicting what I want to do. So it's going to give us on trigger enter, our collider, and it's given it a name. So this function is another Unity built-in function, and all it means is that when our trigger has been entered, it will run this code here, and it's got a reference to whichever collider has hit us. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to do destroy other dot game object and a semicolon at the end. So when we are hit, when this wall is hit, destroy the other game object, and that should be everything, fingers crossed. If not, I'll remake the video so I don't embarrass myself. We've got a capsule collider. Fantastic. One thing that I have forgotten, which could be the issue, is rigid body. We don't want it using gravity. Let's try it again. Still not. Oh, guys, I've made number one mistake here. So what I did wrong was on my wall. Can anyone found the issue yet with this? Where is my wall script? Let's try it again. Oh, come on. Why did I delete the rigid body in the first place? I do not know. Okay, sorry about that. I found the problem. So for starters, you need to put your script on your wall. No. Okay, so with that code that we've just done in the wall script, we can take the wall script and we can put it into our wall object. In fact, let's just rename this cube to be a wall, just so we remember. Now it's got the script in, so the last thing we need to do is add a rigid body component, and we don't want it using gravity. And in fact, yeah, that's all fine. That's all fine. So now, when we hit play and we shoot our bullet, the bullet gets destroyed. Fantastic. Let's shoot lots, and you can see them all get deleted here as they hit the wall. So next up, I'm actually going to do it, instead of doing this through the wall, I'm going to do it through the bullet. Fingers crossed. So let's remove this code. I'm going to Control X just to copy the code. So the wall is now completely empty, doesn't have any code. The code isn't doing, the code in the wall isn't doing a thing. However, the bullet is going to do something, and it is going to destroy, and we're going to change other to this. So the bullet will get destroyed when it hits the wall, and it's all done through its own code, which is really what we want anyway, but I wanted to show you both. So now when I hit play and shoot, it gets destroyed, and it's not the wall that's doing it. We can even, just to prove it even further, remove the wall component. See, this is now not having the wall in it. Having, is that a word? And the bullet gets destroyed. All done through its own code. One thing that we can do as well, let's say this isn't working and you're not sure why, you could add here a debug.log, that's capital L, and you could put that you have hit something. So this line is going to output to your console whatever you have in the quotation marks. So if we press play, we shoot, we go to our console, you can see we've hit something, we shoot lots of bullets, we've got lots of hit somethings because that code is working, which is fantastic. And I think that is all that I want to show you on this video as well. So what we've done is, in the previous videos, is we have created a game object in code, we've made that object move forward, and we've made it in this video so then when it hits another game object, it gets destroyed. Fantastic. We've officially got a shooter game.